What is up, everybody? Welcome to Howling at the Moon, IRL number 3.
I mean, number 3 is clear. And it's Forge Mesh.
Alright.
And it's Forge Mesh.
I think the Forge Mesh is a little probably a little musty.
Alright, that's gonna be game 1 going to Abruzaza and Finn.
Oh, yeah, they can hear us, by the way. Hello.
Hi.
Team battle.
I know, I just wanted to make fun of you. It's funny. The mic wasn't even on yet.
Yeah, we just like making fun of people.
No, it's on now. Switch what?
Corin.
Do you know how to swap the name at the top?
Oh, you hit a button in a second. Give me a minute. I was doing the,
Why'd you do that?
What?
Why'd you click that and not the one that we can actually see better?
Because it works correctly. Hey, that's how you update, you hit the refresh.
Somebody killed themselves immediately.
I think they picked the wrong tag. Or wrong stage.
Wrong stage.
I like how everyone else is...
I know.
And that's the easiest stuff of your life.
That was great.
Yes, alright, 1-1.
1-1, obviously. Insanely, that was a really fast game. I don't know what happened.
Alright, Town and City is the actual stage pick for game 2. Makes sense, doubles, you want a big stage. You don't want the funny, upbeat man to have a low ceiling.
Yeah, so the high ceiling of the stage, so the upbeat man's that kind of feeling. By the way, you can SDI down that really easily. If you SDI down it, you just live.
Oh,
Like,
really?
basically every time.
I didn't know.
You SDI down the thrower, you just live like every time. It's really funny. But...
Although, something interesting about this team is now you're giving Incineroar stage with really close side blast zones, which means he's going to murder you.
Yeah, every brawler can also do that with backer, but not so much. Obviously, Corin, you know, Corin's very similar at that backer to kill at the 20, remember? And also, I guess my brother's gonna have me try to kill him.
And so everybody's gonna have an easier time killing except for Brawler.
Which is good for a team without
I was like, good for Hybrid Starcaster.
Yeah.
From my understanding, they seem to be a pretty consistent doubles team. Actually, Ben and myself played them at Jablock, so they're used to fighting Brawler and doubles, which is fun.
Yeah, they don't go a lot. I think they're more
Southern Mass? I want to say they're like Southern Mass, having that
corner. They go a lot. They look
But I was sure to see them come out to things. Two very fun players to watch. That go a bunch of random fun characters in dub, especially Starcaster.
Being fun though. These they are actually Mario doesn't help me.
I've also seen the Rosa in dubs, so handful of different characters. We're gonna find a really clutch Sabi in the corner and take that stock. Pretty high percents all around, but a comfortable stock lead for Abruzaza and Finn.
Yeah, that's the game. So like, instead of paying the crash stage, we can count. Yeah, I mean, Finn actually staying alive. He's like 130.
Finn is stock tanking pretty hard right now.
Gotta be careful with the jab. He is fighting the person that can execute. I will say we got a cheat, no?
Yeah.
Except apparently I'm good to bad.
Up tilt is very strong, actually.
What?
Just Incineroar killing me.
I think he does that. The main thing Incineroar does is kill you, unfortunately.
We'll see if Abru and Finn are able to find these really quick stocks in between killing an opponent. That's something really good about Brawler on doubles team. If you get a really quick team combo going, you can just combo somebody right off the top to kill them.
You do just die.
We'll see if Incineroar's speed will be a detriment for that.
They're talking about it. They're like, yeah, we're combos. You know what
We can probably do side B early with Incineroar to send up and then cover.
Yeah, they're like, oh, what if we the upper version of side B and
But you don't even need combos when you have Incineroar with just raw kill power. Or an SD and Corn. And now we're in a rough spot here if you're Hybrid Starcaster.
You can't really kill, and we already see they can do a throw combo, or just forward smash like something like this. Either of them will pull.
Plus, this is me Gunner, like a character that wants to run away, play a slow game, and that's something you can do with 2 people on you.
You know.
Holding down the floor pretty well using that side platform to use advantage, but how long are you going to be able to hold out?
Considering on counter with that revenge, you can make one mistake and you just die. But maybe don't. Also, I think those platform help.
Almost a shield break, but shield gonna drop. No edge guard, but like, how do you get away?
Trying to get the projectiles going. Get the platform finally.
Okay,
Where did that come from?
That's fucking awesome.
It's best of 5 today also, by the way.
All best of 5 with doubles.
I don't know about singles, like rebels.
Doubles, I believe, is also best 5. Now, does that update automatically, or do I have to click update?
You have to go to the Spring Labs, and you go to the cat, you hit refresh cache, and then it works.
This single start 4?
Huh?
Single starts at what, 4?
People start at, yeah, I think about 4.
Team battle.
I'm not playing fair.
Hi.
Pirate Mithra, oh my god.
Ooh. And there's the Rosa, so
Mithra.
2 character switches being pushed to their last game here. Makes sense, you know, you're back to the wall. Try something else. The virtual games did not go well.
Oh yeah.
So we also are playing on the new like unified rule set.
For Supernova, yeah, lots of Supernova.
Practice Supernova. I'm anticipating probably gonna switch back to Division 1.
I'm glad everyone's like,
I really hope. I hate this rule set.
I've never heard on the Get Through such good. No one's ever said that.
I mean, it's cool to make everybody think about the stage bank a little more. It'll probably lead to more optimized bands.
It's gonna go to
But yeah,
you know what's gonna happen. Like,
Game 2, I've almost always seen it go to PS2, which is very funny.
yeah, even Game 1, the small battles, it's the same thing, right? Very big stage.
Yeah. Well, because then if you lose on small, it's like would having just that little bit of extra space like help that much, and it becomes really just weird.
But also, it's just a pick for a lot of people. Oh, that's complicated for me. But he's it's a cover pick for a lot of people. People played PSP for like 5 years now, and they're like, oh, you can't play on the stage, you can get you out of the way. It's like, what?
Yeah, it's just where most people are really comfortable. And it's strange. Oh, wow. Big ass back air.
That Derek is...
And this is, I think, the first lead we've seen for Hybrid Starcaster. Very short-lived. Right away. Oh, goodness.
He got it back immediately.
It's floating over here. And it's right back to even, pretty much.
Yeah, always higher seems really interesting. I think it's maybe better for doubles because you're not going to tag early.
Yeah, I mean, there's been a handful of switching.
You do a lot better, though. A lot more than...
Kind of funny they've swapped roles. You know, before it was the gunner kind of playing back, Hybrid taking that back from Starcaster going in. But now with the schema, Starcaster's kind of holding down that defense. A big one off the top.
That's huge. We're even in this stage against them.
So you know what? Everything I just said about defense, that was explosive.
No, that was great. A little up there. You're using the stage against me, bro. Oh, I
Holy, no
Good
stop.
SDI down.
God damn.
That was SDI down right there. Yeah.
Oh, definitely,
So
yeah.
you can SDI down to start from no soon. Don't get cheated by any brawl. You can just SDI down it.
New
Now.
New Jersey does not know that.
No, they don't. I don't want them to know that, but New England can know about that.
There we go.
Let's look at that. Pretty cool.
And that classic Abruzaza ledge from back here. That's his favorite thing to do, like, ever.
I mean, it's good.
It's really good, yeah. I mean, you're so afraid of getting ledge trapped by anything, or you hang out there just a second too long, and cat hangs your stock.
You die. You got back here. Abruzaza was fun.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't say anything. You didn't hear anything.
Dead even on the stock count.
Gotta play slow. Oh, armored through that, didn't you?
Yeah. That move had crazy armor. Once that comes out, almost nothing interrupts that.
Again, you don't see that a lot. There's a lot of cool interactions. Like, you wouldn't know that. Oh, and he's dead.
Okay, now we're back in a 2v1 with Hybrid kind of on the ropes. You're much more even, and if any character can randomly murder,
Like that.
I was gonna say it's Pyra, but clearly it's not Pyra. It is New Brawler and Incineroar.
I don't think it's SDI down back there. I'm gonna be honest.
No, I don't need it either. I know it's dead regardless. That is like quick
I was like,
3-0.
oh, she's dead. That's so
That's so fucked.